Are you tired? Are you hungry? Are you running out of time? You want something to eat? Worry no more. Have you ever thought a meat can be replaced by a tofu? Without knowing that it is a tofu? Sounds fun? Of course! We have not just one, not just two, but four tofu-licious products for all of you. Based on our study, after the pandemic, 90% of Filipinos say that staying healthy is very important. That's how many people go to work and go to school every morning, which they spend 9 hours, 7 hours at work and school and just repeat the cycle every single day. For more productivity, introducing all tofu bar is not just a bit of a tofu, but it also has a lot of health benefits. We offer a tofu longganisa, tofu hotdog, tofu nuggets, and tofu Shanghai. Isn't it amazing? Right. That will be energized you. Imagine walking on the street and you feel tired or hungry. Grab a Toffalicious and take a bite. Instantly, you will realize the reason why you are walking on the street feeling tired and hungry, and it's a way for you to be more productive and appreciate yourself. It takes less than 2 minutes to go with fresh and hot Toffalicious. You can definitely go to our certified all tofu bar store and get your Toffalicious and have a tofu totally delicious adventure. Oops, I forgot. I am Andrea Jasmine Santiago and this is the Old Tofu Bar.